to Crispy Reviews and Tips once again. So today our product for review is Spotzero Elite Spin Mop by Milton. So now let's see the unboxing and the features of the product. So let's go. So this is the packing of this Milton Elite Spin Mop, and I purchased from Amazon. So I'll leave the link below in the description box where you can purchase it from. Now let's see the demo. So these are the two rods which are the handles of the mop, and then here is the booklet. And then here you have this dispenser bottle in which you can pour your floor cleaner like Lysol or Dettol or whatever. So here there is a space to keep this dispenser, and then you also have an extra mop head. So this is what it looks like inside. So here you can see the big wheels on both the sides, and you have this handle on the side which helps you drag the bucket around. But this handle, I find it a bit flimsy. Now let's see how to fix the mop head to the handle. So this is the first one. To tilt the handle, you can just put your feet over the mop head and just lift it. So that's it. And now we'll fix the second rod. And here you can see there is a locking clip here. So just open it to extend the rod, and if you close it, it just remains tight. So one thing you have to remember is to unlock this clip while you wet the mop and spin it. So otherwise it will not spin. And here you can see this is the water outlet. This is a silicone cap. So now I'm pouring water inside and we'll try mopping. So as I told you before, you have to unlock this clip. So now let's dip the mop in water. And you can actually see it spin, right? So whatever dust is there, it just cleans up. And when you lift, you can actually see so much water dripping. So we're going to use this basket to drain this water. So here it spins again. And now you can see that there is no more water dripping from the mop. It's ready to wipe. So once you are done, you can just take it to the washroom and you can just open this outlet. So you don't have to touch the water or lift it. It just gets clean by itself. So that's it, and it's so quick and easy as that. Video helpful, and thank you for watching. If you wish to buy the product, please check the link in the description box, and see you soon with another useful video like this. Until then, bye.